This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. This almost new home in the desired Bear Paw Resort is ready for a new owner. Low maintenance composite siding, gorgeous laminate flooring, on-demand hot water heater allow you more time to enjoy life in the mountains. 3 bedrooms and 1 bath with laundry are the perfect size. Nice kitchen with plenty of cupboards, counter space and a large island with breakfast bar. Gas log fireplace for those chilly evenings, and classic built-in cabinets in the foyer. Low maintenance yard, paved road, and paved parking complete the package. Close to all amenities, swimming pool, tennis courts, basketball courts, playground, clubhouse, and marina. Don't miss this opportunity to relax and enjoy life. For more information, read